Y del Triunfo are also known as Kota. Join us as we explore its history, culture, and discover why this place is special.
Kuta Shrine was built by the Spanish in 1756 under the leadership of Jesuit priest Father Jose Ducos to protect the town from pirate raids. And today it serves as both a historical site and and a place of pilgrimage.
So karon ani adi ay mi diri sa Kota Shrine and Uzami City, Misamis Occidental, Philippines. Dayon kanang naami diri kay gusto na mo lagi i-explore ang kanang iyaang history bitaw. Dayon according sa among mga lola ug lolo, dili daw kuno ang base sa mga Kastila before. Dayon karon amo ang i-find out kung mao ba gyud. So, sabay ko inyo.
So karon moadto ta sa taas ug unsa ba jud di ay ang naa. So karon nag-wonder ba mo nganong taas kay ang mga walls di ari?
Syempre, na-wonder gyud mo. So, according sa ilang gipangingon dire, gibuilt daw ni nga high ang mga walls dire para maprotektahan ang mga Kastila sa mga kalaban. And for the defense gani no. Hala. So, Napuday mo dire, nag-vlog film me. So, unsa yung maingon about aning lugar?
Yes, sir. Na-adder yung tanang gamit sa mga konsulat. Then, na-fail yung present sa una. So, maori ni ang armas sa unang panahon. Dayon, antod garo, narayapon siya. Dayon, mani gitawag bilang
5 ways tourists can help protect destinations and practice responsible tourism. Number 1. Keep Kuta Shrine clean. Throw out trash in the proper bins. Number 2. Respect the historical site. Do not write, carve, or damage the old walls, cannons, or other historical structures. Number 2. Follow the site's rules. Stay in designated areas, follow posted signs, and listen to the instructions of the staff or tour guides. Number 4. Protect the environment. Avoid picking plants, disturbing wildlife, or polluting the sea surrounding Kuta Shrine. And number 5. Support the local community. Buy souvenirs from local vendors, try local food, and treat residents with kindness and respect. Aside from that, the historic fort and the shrine, Kuta Shrine also has a small museum inside. Here, you can see old photographs of Ozami City's former mayors, antique collections, and historical artifacts that showcase the rich culture and history of the city. And it's definitely worth visiting, especially if you love learning about the past. For further information, did you know that every July 16, Ozami City celebrates the Fiesta of the Birhen Sakuta, the city's beloved patroness? This day is marked by religious activities such as holy masses, processions, and pilgrimage, together with the Pirangat Ozamis Festival, which feature cultural performances, parades, and other exciting events that celebrate